Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your MacBook Air M4 is ready. Update Mac OS, plug into power, and backup. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID, then open System Settings and turn on Apple Intelligence so core features are active. Make sure to grant microphone and camera permissions when prompted, because Apple Intelligence uses them for dictation and live features. Next, choose language and enable on-device processing for speed and privacy. These first steps unlock the tools you'll use right away. Now you customize how Apple Intelligence works across apps so it fits your workflow. Once settings are set, enable Spotlight and app-level integrations. This lets suggestions appear in Mail, Notes, and Safari. Make sure to allow access to Mail, Files, and Calendar if you want contextual summaries and drafts. This improves accuracy because the model learns your style. Then practice by asking for a one-paragraph summary, a draft email, or a code snippet. Vary prompts and follow up with clarifying questions to refine outputs. Complete setup by reviewing privacy and backup choices, and save any custom prompts or keyboard shortcuts you rely on. Once done, use Apple Intelligence in real tasks, compose, summarize, and search so it adapts to your needs. If something stops working, try the single most effective troubleshooting move. Sign out of your Apple ID, reboot the MacBook Air, then sign back in. This refreshes permission tokens and often fixes integration issues. If that fails, check System Settings for revoked permissions or update Mac OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.